Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to select multiple pictures in Adobe Lightroom. So basically this is the Lightroom library and I will need you to open your Adobe Lightroom and follow these steps. So basically I'm going to import some pictures that I have here in my desktop. So I'm just going to import this set of pictures as you can see here, and I'm just going to click on done, and here I will have it in my library. So basically I'm going I think I made a mistake, and I'm going to again here and click on import, not done. And as you can see, this is your navigator menu or your library. Now you have all the picture. Of course, now I'm clicking on my mouse and I'm trying to have them all selected, but I can't. So basically I want to select multiple pictures. So all you need to do is to click on the shift bar of your keyboard, or and then you will start selecting your picture basically. Or you can just click on Ctrl A and you will select all the picture, and then you will have your pictures that are selected. Now you can start doing all you want, and as you can see, you can go to one to another and do your editings. So basically this is how to select all your pictures. So I'm going to the navigation picture, or the navigation tab here, and as you can see, this is our navigator and this is our library here, and this is how you can select all the picture. So basically, as I said, either you click on shift and you start clicking your image, or click on Ctrl A and you will select all the images. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.